Okay, so to export a single clip, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in these two clips into my timeline, just like that, and I have two clips in my timeline. But let's just say I want to export only the last clip. What I'm going to do is go to the Deliver tab with the rocket, and now you'll see you have your clips here. Here's my first clip, here's my second clip. So if I select the last clip and then right click on it, and then I'm going to select render this clip. Now you can see it shaded out the first clip and it only selected the last clip. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to export this in 1080p for YouTube, select my location as the desktop, and then I'm going to add it to the render queue, and then you can render that video, and it will only be this portion of the video, the last clip. Now if you want to at some later stage export the whole clip, you can right click and then select entire timeline, and it will reselect the whole entire timeline for you to export. So that's it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more video editing tutorials.